Did you know that 5.17 billion people are liking, commenting, and sharing right now on social media, which amounts to about 2.5 hours per person scrolling in about 7 different platforms? That's a lot of thumb action. So why are we talking about this right now? Because social media is simply a double-edged sword. There's so much that it brings that is negative and so much that is positive. And in this video, we're gonna talk about both aspects of why social media is that double-edged sword and then how to leverage it for a better impact. My name is Amelia Lujan and I'm your host today with Mindful Body Productions. Let's get into it. So here's the not so fun part of social media. Social media has created a rise in societal pressure to look and be a certain way. You're probably scrolling on your social media and you see a beautiful man or a beautiful woman and you're like, wow, I wish I had that, or I wish I looked like that. We're comparing ourselves constantly to others and hoping and dreaming of having what somebody else has rather than valuing what we have right now. If you look at statistics, the number one type of content that performs the best on social media generally is luxury travel, because what do people want to do is live vicariously through others and see experiences that they probably can't have in their lifetime. This is causing the younger generation to want to look a certain way and be a certain way that's more advanced than their current age. Now, I'm a millennial. Whoever is watching currently, I guess you can think about it from your perspective, but think about how social media shapes how you see others and how other people see you. I'm sure you can relate with seeing your friends on social media and they look happier than maybe you know them to really be. This is something that we're trying to project onto the world and trying to make people see something that isn't really there. This inauthenticity of wanting to lead on this luxurious lifestyle of having all of these material things, but in reality, maybe they don't have so much money to spend on these material things. They simply want to gain a level of status. Social media helps you accomplish that in a very superficial way. But wait, here's the silver lining. About 47.1% of us use social media to stay connected with our loved ones. How amazing is it to be scrolling and seeing an old friend of yours grow up, get married, have children? You're literally following their journey, and it's so touching to be able to reach out and be like, hey, we haven't seen each other in a while. How's it going? Let's meet up. It's really an awesome way to stay connected with the people that you care about most. Another interesting stat is that 27% of people find new products on social media. This is a really great avenue to explore new things that we might want to branch off into or resonate with. So if you're looking to better your wellness journey, for example, and you're scrolling on social media and you see something that catches your attention, you're like, wow, I want to try that. I love what that person is experiencing. I want to see if that works for me too. This is a really way of discovering new things that help us grow and expand as individuals. All right, here's the tricky part. Social media can be a mental health roller coaster. The downside is that social media can give people negative body image issues, anxiety, and other mental health imbalances like addiction. These platforms are designed for us to keep coming back for more. I'm sure you can relate. You're scrolling on Instagram or TikTok and you're like, okay, one more video, and you just want to keep going because the content is so good. It really does absorb your attention where you don't want to stop. But there is an upside. Social media can help us feel more connected and understand ourselves deeper. Also learn new things and expand as individuals. Now here's an interesting part. Technology is making us evolve quicker than ever. With the new release of Apple and the Vision Pro, that is taking us deeper into virtual reality. ChatGPT is helping us expand our knowledge and our understanding in such a fast rate. Now we're becoming more and more absorbed and dependent on social media and technology. So what can we do about this? This is where you, as a wellness brand, can make a huge impact. Now, I understand that generally when I work with wellness brands, they want to just focus on doing what they do best, which is healing, creating their products and their tinctures, not so much focused on the content creation part or the marketing part. A lot of things that I hear from these brands that I work with is, I hate social media. I don't even want to be on there. I don't even look at social media. And that's really understandable given the negative aspects of social media. However, social media can help us reach a wider audience and create a bigger impact. So why not leverage it? So here's the solution. Let's flip the script together. Social media can serve as a beacon for those seeking a better way of life. So let's not perpetuate what is going wrong, and let's stop focusing on those aspects and look at what we can do right through technology by leveraging these different things that help us get our message further and wider. This is why I dedicated myself to building a digital marketing agency, because communication is my gift. Social media is a medium in which we can share communication and help elevate the world through a message of hope, of transformation, of inspiration, to help elevate other people to reach new heights in their overall health and wellness, body, mind, spirit, elevating to new levels of consciousness that can help them become a better person. Ultimately, we understand that that radiates onto other people, and as a result, it trickles out and helps elevate the world. At Mindful Body Productions, we understand the unique challenges that wellness brands face online. So if you'd like to work with us, please book a free consultation to see if we're a good fit for each other. Let's work together to elevate the world. Let's flip the script and let's do this together.